Oh, guys, do you want to split up?
No! Yeah, let's split up!
We can split up. Hey, well, you know, it's a great idea in horror movies. The first thing, the dumbest person always, it always works. It always works if we split up. Yeah!
Never mind.
Come in.
Hello?
He's stuck in the room. He's stuck in the room with all the keys, though. We're over. We're so done. I found the last key.
Never mind.
Come in. Run, Kronii! Explosion. Grenade. Girls. Major explosion girls. Major explosion girls. Yeah, that sounds like an idol group right there.
Hey, I want to be casted Meg.
Meg.
Can I be the new generation?
The new generation.
Hey, where are you from? I'm from the first generation of
The
Meg.
Meg. Huh?
Here? Yeah, this
The
one
last
didn't have
generator.
any dots,
He's generating.
so- What did you say?
No, I was just thinking about the last
He's
generator as a
generating.
movie, you know, as a movie title.
Oh. Hey.
Hey.
That's peaceful.
It's peaceful, yeah.
Is good too.
Yeah.
Peaceful is good
Yeah.
too.
Hi.
It's kind of a banger.
I thought I muted my Discord.
I think both are pretty good options.
Thank you. Oh, that's embarrassing. I thought I was talking to myself. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Bye.